Rabbits, they love this.
Rabbit them.
Yeah.
Yeah, people, you know we have some rabbit in the yard, you know. Don't peel, you know.
You know what I said? I just cut your bomb back. Well cut. Clean shave.
This one is called the Guinea hen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And tell them about the lime tree too.
Yeah, man, we have a lime tree right here, so too. Take time, give it some support and give it some protection, make it reach up to its fullness. Yeah, man. Our backyard this, you know, so we try to make it as comfortable as possible. Up there now. Yeah, man. I'm cooking, I don't want to rush cooking either. Take your time.
Slow and easy.
The fire not too high. So everything get combined the right kind of way. As you can see, you see thickness side. See the bubble might take time to pop. Yeah. That means that the consistency well thick. You know, thin runny business. Alright, so some scallion just get added to it a while ago. You know, in some places them call it green onions. In Jamaica we say scallion, not escallion, scallion. Alright, uncle. Story about. So I see the carrot, I see the breadfruit, I see the peas, I see good calaloto, yeah? What a show. So uncle I just seen burner there.
Alright. ITAL sip. The right time for it.
So me I drink out of those. A calabash me I drink out of it. If I ITAL then I'll plate ITAL too.
Everything. ITAL.
Yeah, uncle, that good now put on. You don't know enough people. That enough. That is vital. Hey, man. All vegetable, all natural, no salt. So I got it. Say thick. Carrot.